In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, launch settings and scroll all the way down to hit special function. Now, scroll to choose App Twin and pick one of your recommended apps. To clone any of those, use gray switcher next to the chosen one and wait. If you want to clone another app, tap on Try More Apps and clone one the same way. I have only those though, so when I go back to check it out, I can see that WhatsApp was successfully cloned. If you ever want to delete this clone, you can always go back to the same section of your settings, use now blue switcher, and hit close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!